Oh, these look so much better than the other wheels. It's gonna show the brakes a lot more and they'll be easier to clean. All right, so to put these two last caps on and then we're ready to go. Now I get a before and after of how they look.
Before and after how my garage looks.
What? Alright guys, so all the wheels are loaded in right now into the car. We got all four there. We're gonna go to my buddies right now and drop them off. But first thing first is that we need to go ahead and get some gas. Because right now we are desperately on empty. Because I do a whole lot of driving for work today. So go get gas and then we'll head up there. All right guys, we just got gas. Now we are going to drop the wheels off, so. Off the Tom at the HE Look Group, so it's gonna be ceramic coating my wheels. They should be ready for pickup sometime tomorrow. There's so much glare now. I have my sun visor down right now because I literally can't see anything, but we're gonna go ahead and get those ceramic coated. I'm gonna go ahead and pay them cash and then I'll pick them up tomorrow and let's see how they turn out. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right guys, we're going back to my buddy right now to go ahead and pick up my wheels. He ceramic coated them. There was actually a chip found on one of the wheels. I took them out of the boxes, but I didn't like take all the wrap off to inspect every one of them. I just like cut the middle of the wrap open to put the plaque on, the wheel cap. But yeah, supposedly there's a chip on them. He sent me a picture of it and there is like light scratching on it, but he said like you're not gonna notice it in like your light, like one of the car meets, like having it stored and stuff like that. You're not gonna notice it under like that special UV light. So I'm kind of bummed out about that because I've had a lot of problems with this car so far and I just want something basically to turn out perfect, but I guess that's how life goes. You just gotta make do with what you get. But yeah, he PPF'd the Coyote badge. I'm gonna put that on the front of the front grille, the top grille, like the GT350 has. And then that's gonna be getting done next week. We're gonna get my hood strut fixed as well, which I haven't talked about yet. I'll show you guys before we bring it into the shop in another video. And then we're gonna be getting the new, actually no, they're not doing that. What else are they doing? Oh yeah, they're putting on the hood ram vent for the hood, because right now the hood, the scoop's just open right now. So that's gonna get done as well. We're almost at his house here. Pick up the wheels, and then I gotta e-transfer him the money. But hopefully these turned out well. Like the performance pack wheels I have on now, I am so happy I'm getting rid of them. Like they look sweet, but they are such a pain in the ass to keep clean. It's so difficult. Like to get in all the nooks and crannies, it literally takes like an hour just to do the wheels, or at least for me it does. It's brutal. So I'm really happy I'm getting rid of them. I'm gonna try and sell them for $1,200 Canadian. There is like light scratches on it, so that's gonna be my asking price. And I'm hoping I can go ahead and get at least like $950, $980 is what I want to get, because that pays for half the wheels I have now. I paid like $19.50 for the wheels. Now I just got them ceramic coated and then put the PPF on, so I'm looking at around like almost $2,200 for everything. And then I still got to get them installed, so I'm basically paying like $2,500 for them. Oh, so here you guys can see there's the chip on the wheel right there. It's not that big of a deal. It's kind of noticeable though. Maybe it'll look better when the tire's on. And there is like light scratching in the light. You guys can see that. So let's go with the wheels. I kind of feel awkward. I'm in the middle of the country, but I still feel awkward that I have a GoPro on my head. And he records videos too, so I don't really know why I'm not nervous. But I don't, whatever. I'll wear the GoPro. I can't. This is such out of my comfort zone. I gotta get used to this. Oh, that looks sweet. That'll definitely help with the fading. That's wild. Those look so good. All right, so we got 3 of the wheels in right now. pushing that over. I upset their dogs. I feel so bad. They're really upset. I don't know if you guys can hear them or not. Oh my god, they're really upset. I feel so bad. All right, guys. So from the one wheel, it looks actually sick. Like, it looks so nice. And here's the plaque here. This will help with fading a lot. So that's basically what I wanted it for, is to help with fading. And we got all the wheels back there. Perfect. Yeah, I had to cruise nicely back home because that did not sound good. I hope I didn't chip it. And wow, that sun's so bright. All right, guys, I'm gonna go home, unload the wheels, and then I'll see you guys then. All right, guys, we got the wheels put on. We just went for a test drive, and I don't know why I didn't record. I still gotta get used to this recording, and I'm just still really nervous to get the camera out. My buddy's washing his car right now. So I like how it looks. It looks good. There's one problem though. Every single time I've done something to this car is always an issue. So the issue we have now, I'll throw the clip up right now. I noticed it myself. But as you guys can see, there's a wobble issue, and they put it on the passenger rear tire. So I can actually feel it when I'm driving. It is wobbling quite a bit. I don't know if you guys could tell in the video. So I'm sending the wheel back to LMR. They told me the quickest option is to buy one and then send the defective one back in that box. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I ordered the new wheel and the new one's coming, and it should be here sometime next week, and that means that's gonna be done. But the stance is just so much wider. Like, look at the stance at the back. Like, she's sexy. I need to lower the front still a little bit, but look at the back if you guys can notice that. There's a huge gap there. Oh, not a gap, I mean, but the tire pokes out so much. I love it. It looks so much better to have that nice fitment. That fitment's so clean. I like that a lot. That's a really nice fitment. So my friend also put his louvers on, because he has louvers on the back on his rear window. So he put the louvers on my car, and it looked really nice. Right now I'm going to be getting some companies put on the back that worked on the car. I'm going to have my company at the top. I'm going to have TCM Graphics, which did the stripe, and then I'm going to have HD Look Group, which did my ceramic coating on the back windows. It's going to be in the middle going down, and then on the front I'm going to have a banner with @Ryan_JWA cut out, and then it's going to be matte black, just like the stripe, so it blends in nicely. But yeah, I love the wheels. Maybe I can get my friend recording me getting some passes with the new wheels on, but I'm really happy with them. I did get nitrogen in the tires. It's not really worth it. They wanted $30 for all the wheels, but once I get that passenger side rear wheel swapped out, we're gonna be all good to go. And after I get the stickers put on, I think that's all I'm gonna do this summer. And then next summer we'll get an exhaust system. And if things go well with me saving, doing a lot of stuff in my side business, then we'll go ahead and throw a Whipple on here and reach around 750 horsepower, I'm hoping. Kind of just want to get some more of the pony back on the car, so I'm going to take those off the wheels now. Well, they're going to have to take 3 wheels off, switch over the center caps for me, put this new wheel on because the passenger side is unbalanced, and then I'm going to go for a cruise, see if I notice a difference. And my seatbelt's not on. And then in a couple days I'll have to go back and get them to adjust them, right, to make sure they're torqued properly. But we're going to the shop now, and hopefully I do feel a difference, because I feel like a little bit of vibrations in the pedal. I'm not quite sure what that is, but we'll see what happens. All right, guys, so the wheels are done, and I liked it a lot more with having the Mustang there. And even driving it right now, I can notice a huge difference. I'm just gonna drive around, and I need to figure out how to actually record the GoPro when I'm in the car driving, because I want to have the view like right about here. I'd say like right there, that's pretty good, like right around here somewhere. But since like I'm a taller dude, like I can't get it. I keep getting like all the way up here, like no one can see anything. But let's go take a quick walk around the car, see the wheels, and I can like definitely feel like the vibrations aren't there from the wheel being unbalanced, and it feels like a lot sturdier. Let's see what it looks like now. So yeah, we got it all changed up, and it looks a ton better. See, because we got the Mustangs on it now, and that looks so much better. And I was nervous, I thought they scratched the wheel, because I saw that, and it's just like, just glue in that from them putting the wheels on. But yeah, it looks good. I like the Mustangs a lot more. I didn't really like the SV on there, because everyone always asked what that was. But let's go for a quick test drive and see if we actually notice a better difference when we're driving. noticing a big difference already. This put a huge smile on my face right now. Yeah, this is a ton better. I can definitely tell that there's a difference. I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy. So right now with the car, everything's totally done visual wise. I might be changing my banner because it's my Instagram. It's at Ryan_GWA right now, but we might change that. But I'm trying to think of like visual things. Actually, there is some more stuff I want to do. I actually want to go ahead and add on different rocker panels. So I want to add on different rocker panels. So I want carbon fiber ones. I'm gonna see if I can actually maybe get them hydro dipped, or see if I can have them wrapped, because if I can do that, then I can save money, because I've checked to see if I can actually get any rocker panels in Canada, and I can't. So I'm gonna have to pay for my Anderson Composites or something, and they want $1,000 US. So right there, I'm paying about like 1,300 bucks. Then I have to pay shipping, and I'm gonna have to go ahead and pay the duties and taxes, like the import charges. So then I'd be paying another like $100 or something on there. Because actually, no, yeah, I pay about $100. I paid $76 when I got this hood and I drove it back. I had to pay import charges. So if I can get them hydro dipped, that would be good. But I think that's gonna be more money. Just because when I was asking for hydro dipping to do my engine bay, do like the cover, the radiator, and all this stuff, they wanted about $1,400. And it's really not even that much. So I'm thinking for the rocker panels, I'm thinking maybe like about 1,000 as well. Even like the vent I have on my hood, I showed him a picture and sent it to him. He's like, oh yeah, we can do $200 for that. And then I end up getting there and he wants $300. He's like, oh, I gotta go ahead and sand it a little bit and then I gotta prime it. I'm like, okay, that's fine, that's understandable, it's a little more work. And then I'm literally getting in my car and then he's like, actually, hey buddy, hold on, I'm actually gonna have to do $400. He's like, there's just a lot more work to it. And I was like, okay, that's fine. And then I got home 2 weeks later, he messaged me, he's like, hey, like, actually I don't even have any materials, I haven't even started on it. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna be getting my engine bay actually detailed, because all like the holes open right now, there's so much debris flying in, it's like just atrocious. So I said, I need to go ahead and pick it up. So I went there, picked it up, and then I just got the one side painted black. And then I'm gonna be getting mesh just to put in the front so you don't see the other side. And I paid like $200 for them to put on like the, for them to paint it, install it, and then to go ahead and take my bumper off and put the Coyote emblem. I paid $100 for all that, so I got a way better deal. But yeah, I'll get those rocker panels, and then I wanna go ahead and get a different rear diffuser. And I was thinking as well, for something that's just kind of knick-knacky, is actually you get like a cluster that goes in here and it's actually digital, kind of like what the Ferraris have. So I might do that as well, I don't know yet, but I definitely want to get the rocker panels and the rear diffuser done. And then next year, if I can start finding more people to race and get more races out, and then if I start tracking the car and going to the drag strip, I want to go ahead and I want to get the Whipple supercharger. I think it's about $16,000. This is Canadian currency too. So I can go ahead and get that done. And then I'll get a different exhaust. And then really the car's done. I don't need anything else after that. Maybe I'll like remove the seats and get like bucket seats. But that's just a totally different story once we start going down that route. I haven't done anything performance-wise to the car at all. Just all visual stuff right now, so it's just a show car for now. And I'm really happy how it turned out, but I should have went to like one person to do absolutely everything on the car. That was the problem I had, is I went to like one person to do the stripe, and then I went somewhere here to do like the paint work, and then someone to do the hood, and then the hood struts, and then someone to put the bumper on, and there's just a lot of different people working on it. I should have went to one place, got everything absolutely done, and then yeah, sure, I would have paid more, but it would have done properly. I wouldn't have to be running around all the time to different people fixing everyone's mistakes. But I've learned that now, and next time I will bring it to just one place to get them to do everything. Yo, there was a cop right there. I'm freaking going 90, boy. I literally just shit my fucking pants. Dude, that cop was sitting right there. I'm going friggin' 90 and a 50. Man, I'm surprised that cop didn't just come out. I don't know if you guys saw him or not, but I just got lucky. We're good. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.